Down. Get off the phone, you idiot! Oh my god! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today's about one thing and one thing only: making some noise, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god! It is absurdly loud. Alright guys, so we got the catless long tube headers with the CORSA Extreme. About as close to being straight piped as you can be without being straight piped. So y'all been kind of requesting just a little bit of driving noise, wide open throttle, some pulls, all that. So that's all we're doing today. And it shall be glorious. So I'm gonna put in two 18-inch vibrant resonators just behind the headers where a little like a straight pipe is. And I don't think it's gonna do just a ton to the volume. I think it'll do a little bit, but I think mostly it's gonna kind of like clean the sound up. And for some reason when I put these headers on, like the whole system wasn't really long enough, so all the tubes are like barely inside the next one. So I have some exhaust leaks, so that longer resonator, at least I can kind of shove everything actually into each other. And I think it'll help with the volume a little bit. It's an 18-inch one, so you know it is a straight through design, so I don't know how much it'll do it, but I hope it'll help a little bit and then just kind of clean up the tone. So this is the last, that's why I'm doing this video, because I'm gonna put those on and I think it'll sound differently. So I wanted to do a little bit of a driving video, you know, before I did that. Slide in here. Sometimes I don't realize how loud it is. It's always loud, but sometimes I don't realize how loud, but I forget how loud it is, like kind of once I downshift to a high RPM, or like once I really get on it. It's just brutal. Woo! God, it's just ear piercing. Sorry guys, I know the sun, kind of hard to see right now. Woo! We do have the kind of barrier next to us so it reflects, but you can definitely hear it. City of Frisco. Forget how insane this car is. Sit by here. Oh, I just can't help but to laugh. Every pool. Oh, it just rips. Alright, these are the fun videos to make. Not restoring wheels. Oh man. It is kind of hot because I'm in freaking Texas. 91, that's actually kind of mild for right now, but don't want to run it too hard. But try to spare that guy his ears. Bro, if any of y'all are in this area, hit me up. Let's meet up. Let's do something cool. I need some car friends in the area. If you're from here, you know where I'm at. Yup, it's out here making noise. Fucking damn. Get off the phone, you idiot! Woo! Well, strap a GoPro on your head and go driving. You're guaranteed to see something. Alright guys, that's about all the fun this car can handle on a 100-degree Texas evening. Thanks for being here. Thanks for sticking on to the end. You know I love you. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you there!